MI-302 Recessed Motorized Fireplace TV Mount Installation. Step 1. Use a stud finder to locate the two studs that you will be using to install the mount. Use a tape measure to make sure the studs are the standard 16 inches apart. Step 2. Using the provided measurements, mark the area that you will be installing the recessed box into the wall. Cut into the drywall with a drywall saw. Remove the controller from the box. Push the recessed box into the hole with the arrow on the box facing up. Using the provided lag bolts, secure the box to the studs through the mounting tabs. Step 3. Slide the motorized arm into the place as shown. Custom fit the left arms to the box by loosening the screws on the arms, extending the arm to be flush with the box, then tightening the screws back on. Secure the arm to the studs using the 8 provided bolts. Step 4. Slide the cover on the controller up, then plug the power cord into the controller, then reinstall it into the box. The power cord can either be plugged directly into a wall outlet or hardwired into a circuit. Step 5. Using the remote, move the motorized arm to a comfortable position to install the Visa assembly. Mount the Visa assembly to the arm and secure it using the provided hardware. Choose the appropriate hardware, screws, and spacers to attach the Visa bracket to the back of your TV. Step 6. Using 2 people, lift the TV onto the Visa assembly, then secure it using the locking clips. If a lower television position is required to cover the recessed box when in a raised position, use the included Visa extension bars to extend the length of the Visa brackets. Remove the Visa brackets from your TV and attach the extension bars to the brackets using the included nuts and washers. Reinstall the brackets with the extension bars and hang the TV back on the mount. Your TV will now be completely covering the recessed box. Step 7. Using a level, make any needed horizontal adjustments by loosening the adjustment nut, rotating 5 degrees in either direction, and then tightening the adjustment nut. Adjust the tilt angle by loosening the tilt adjustment lever, adjust 10 degrees up or down, and then tighten the lever. The TV can also be swiveled side to side 30 degrees for a perfect viewing angle. Step 8. Use the integrated cable management clips on the arms to route cables to the back or side of the TV.